Hey there guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you how to use YouTube notification bell feature. The YouTube notification bell allows viewers to control how often they are alerted about new content from channels they follow. As a viewer, you must first be subscribed to a channel before the bell icon appears next to the subscribed button. Now, this notification bell usually manages all these notifications from the application of YouTube. You receive a notification for every long form video, live stream, and some YouTube search. YouTube uses an AI and your watch history to decide which notifications to send you, and this is the default setting. To access this, all you have to do is tap on this bell icon, and as you can see, you can find all those details regarding any videos uploads from your favorite creators, or by going to this comment section you should be able to find comments over here, or hit to this mention option, and from here you can also find all your mentions over here. And that is how you can use this notification bell icon or bell feature on YouTube. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.